Hi, this is Clay again from Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here once again with Jessica. Say hi, Jess.
Hi.
Hi. We are inside of a 2020 Avalon, and we want to show you a feature that's actually relatively common in a bunch of different models. The blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert. We want to focus primarily on the rear cross traffic alert portion for this. So Jessica's going to show you how to get it all set up, turned on, and then we will see if we can give you a demonstration.
Awesome. So in order to see if your rear cross traffic alert is on, you're going to have to actually start with your multi-informational display. That's that little screen right here behind the steering wheel. So we want to scroll all the way down to the little cogwheel. Oops, one too many. And you'll see your safety settings right here. RCTA is for rear cross traffic alert. Now just a quick little, just so you know, in order to use your rear cross traffic alert, you do have to make sure that your blind spot monitors is on. So make sure your blind spot monitor is on, then you can use your rear cross traffic alert. Rear cross traffic alert uses those blind spot sensors in order to look behind you. And if it sees somebody coming behind you, either a pedestrian or a vehicle, it's actually going to beep and alert you that you need to stop and brake.
There you go. So what we're going to do is try to imitate the situation. So I'm going to give Jessica my phone and see if we can't recreate what will happen in the car whenever the rear cross traffic sensors go off.
All right. We're going to have Clay be our designated jogger that's not paying attention. We're going to go ahead and put ourselves in reverse. All right, so here he comes. So we're going to have the beeping and the alerting, letting you know which way someone is coming from, allowing you to brake and avoid any kind of back-ending of anybody. All right, so if you guys want to know anything else, make sure to let us know. But besides that, thanks for watching.